Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is Sockdolager. Sockdolager means something that settles a matter, a decisive blow or answer, or something outstanding or exceptional. For a better understanding of this word, here are a couple of examples. The judge's Sockdolager ruling came as a surprise to the public that thought the defendant was guilty. President Trump's win came as a surprising Sockdolager to both Democrats and Republicans alike. The professor called it one Sockdolager of a short story, but he seemed to be the only one in the room amused by this description. For a while, I was completely stumped, but then, all of a sudden, I got a Sockdolager of an idea. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.